My love to, my respect and my honor to. Who should I pay good mind to after Allah and Rasulullah? Comes your mother. Who next? Your mother. Who next? Your mother. And then your father. 'Cause who used to hold you and clean you and clothe you? Who used to feed you and always be with you? When you were sick, stay up all night, holding you tight. That's right, no other. My mother. Who should I take good care of, giving all my love? Who should I think the most of after Allah and Rasulullah? Comes your mother. Who next? Your mother.
Likha artists. There you go. Talent Scouts, what do you say?
Likha artist. Yung pinagdikit nyo doon ko nakita, yung nanay may anak na tiyanak. Sorry hindi ko maano. Para siyang multo. Sorry talaga. Ang ganda ng nanay. Hindi nagmanay anak. Para... Pinagpipilit ako talaga. Hindi kaya ako ang nakaisa dyan sa nanay. Pero hindi. Natuwa ako dahil magkaiba kayo ng frame, tapos yung pinagdikit nyo, isa pa lang siyang art. Okay, likha! Nilikha na kayo para sa Talentadong Pinoy!
It's fantastic. I think it's very creative. Kaya nga, like most street artists, what becomes maybe very impressive when people stand to watch them is the speed they do it. Kailangan medyo siguro i-master nyo pa yung bilis ng inyong pag-execute ng painting. At the end, I was really impressed. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Well, in the beginning, medyo nasistress ako. Sabi ko, naku, matatapos kaya nila yan? Kasi parang, anong ginagawa niya? Parang feeling ko hindi matatapos. And sabi ko, no, it's a face. Pagtingin ko naman sa kabila, ay, monkey. Ano kaya? So, nakaka-stress. Akala ko talaga unggoy siya. Kaya tawa sila ng tawa kanina pa. Pero, nung pinagdikit nyo, sabi namin, okay, mother and child.
Malay mo, mother and child, baka owner and pet.
Oo nga naman.
Baka may alaga siyang
Bakit hindi natin
chonggo.
silang tanungin? Mother and child ba yan, or...?
Opo, mother and child po yan.
Patay na tayo.
So, pinagdikit yon, naintindihan ko na. But you know what? I think kasi Joseph the artist opened so many doors to so many talented Filipino artists. And maganda po yung ginagawa nyo. Sana ipagpatuloy nyo. And one day, who knows, you can probably get a scholarship and you can study more to enhance your craft. Kaya ako nagustuhan ko, especially nung ending.
Okay, thank you very much, Talent Scouts. Okay, Likha, medyo sa isang banda na tuwa/natawa ang ating Talent Scouts, pero in general, na-impress sila sa inyong paglikha ng art form ninyo. Kaya maraming salamat at good luck na lang sa jury mamaya. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
Espesyal ang relationship ng ating susunod na talentado sa kanyang magulang dahil sama-sama sila sa trabaho. At pagdating dito, walang magulang, walang anak. Pakinggan natin ang storya niya.
Actually po, nung bata po ako, madalas ko po pinapanood yung papa ko po kasi siya po yung unang talagang mas magaling sa music po nung kabataan ko pa po. Ang pinakamasaya rin pong nangyari sa buhay ko, yung nagsama-sama po kami sa isang trabaho ng parents ko. Pagdating po sa trabaho, lalo na po sa office, at ang turingan po namin talaga po, professional na po. Hindi ko po sila tinatawag na mama or papa sa office. Isa pong privilege din po tsaka advantage kapag both parents po kasama mo sa trabaho. Natutulungan ka nila, hindi ka masyado nai-stress. Kahit nakaka-stress po talaga yung trabaho, nandiyan po sila para magpaalala sa'yo na madali lang yan, kaya mo yan.
Strumming and jamming for our pleasure is Angeline Kongson, or simply Angie.
There's somebody like you doing in a place like this. Did you come alone or did you bring all your friends? Say, what's your name, what you thinking? I think I know what you're thinking. Tell me what your side, tell me yours, I'll tell you mine. What's somebody like you doing in a place like this? I'll never be the same if we ever meet again, boy. Let you get away if we ever meet again. This free falls taught me so. Kiss me all night, no ever let me go. I'll never be the same if we ever meet again. Oh, oh, if we ever meet again. Oh, if we ever meet again.
Angie on the stage of Talentadong Pinoy. Dito ka, Angie. Talent Scouts?
Galing mo mag-gitara. Siguro dapat talagang tinaguyod mo ang estilo ni Aiza din. I mean, her songs. Siguro Tagalog would have been nice with your guitar. Kasi mga ganyang kanta, I know she's popular, Katy Perry. But I didn't know the song. Hindi siya popular. Sana yung isang mas matunog na kanta. Mas yung alam ng tao. At least mas alam ko. And maybe Tagalog would be good because sometimes it's clarity of words. Hindi ko naintindihan yung pag-pronounce mo ng mga words. But you play the guitar very well.
Thank you, Mom.
You have a very happy, positive look at yun ang gusto ko kasi nararamdaman namin na nag-i-enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo. Okay ka naman eh. Gusto ko yung paggigitara mo. Gusto ko yung positivity. So just practice a little bit more.
Thank you.
Napapansin niyo ba na marami ngayon na pumapasok na parang mala-Aiza? Kasi, I don't know kung na-encourage kayo kasi you see each other na marami na sa talentadong nagjo-join. Have you, na-engganyo ka?
Apo.
Siguro ang maano ko lang dahil nga there are a lot of you coming in. And by the way, all of them, no matter how butch they look, have beautiful voices. All of you have angelic voices. Lahat. Really. So maybe ang mapapayo ko lang siguro is maybe look for a look na parang hindi masyadong pare-pareho. Kasi I hate to always say na we'll compare them to Aiza. So anybody there who you know, will come in pants and like Aiza na kagad isipin natin. So maybe find another look that's not going to be so typical, that will paint yun na talaga, yan na lang siya. But other than that, you have a lovely voice.
Thank you po.
Salamat, Talent Scouts. Angie, thank you for your performance.
Thank you, Sir Ryan.
May relax backstage. Nakita na kaya natin ang lalaban sa ating defending champions o isa kaya sa dalawang susunod na talentado ang mas papalarin? Malalaman natin ang kasagutan sa pagbabalik ng pambansang talent show ng Pilipinas, ang Talentadong Pinoy.
May galit! At may nagmakaawa! Isa sa kanila ang sasabihan ng...
I think you're the best tonight.
Alamin kung sino sa pagbabalik ng Talentadong Pinoy!
Talentadong Pinoy! Number 1!
Talentadong Pinoy! Number 1!
Ang